What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So as you can tell by the title of the video, today is a very exciting day for me. I finally got my ISR exhaust that I've been waiting for a long time for. Well, actually it wasn't that long, but I just felt like it been a long time. Like it only been 1 month, but it's a story behind all that. So I'm going to say I ordered it twice basically. It was like it was like May when I ordered it, so a lot of places been out of stock, and I was like actually lucky to find a place that had it. At least I thought so. This company is TF Works. They don't really put in their description if they're in stock or out of stock, so I ended up ordering it from them, getting an email from them a few days later saying we don't have any in stock. I was like, okay, well, we came to agreement to pre-order it, and so it was on pre-order for like a few weeks. And then I finally started shipping out exhaust, and then I get another email saying we don't have enough to fulfill your order after the date I called to cancel my order. And I was told that it's still the same ETA, so I'll still be getting it like mid-July. And then I get a email saying I won't get it till mid-August. So I was like, you know what, just give me my money back, and I'm ordering from a different website. And I did that. Image Import Racing, I think that's what it's called. And so I ordered from them, and they were in stock, and they were able to get it to me within a week. So now I got my exhaust, and I'm like so happy. So we got to install that. But before we go, I'm actually going to my friend's cow house to install it. So before we dip, I got a little update for you guys. So I went to pick up some fenders today. That is the right hand fender, the one that was damaged, and then left hand fender is on there. I don't like these fenders, I really don't. These are the Duraflex GT concept style fenders, and they got like a major gap right there, and I don't like that at all. So I'm gonna do away with these. I did pick up some side skirts for the other side because that side skirt was damaged and ripped. Where is it? It's right, the fender down there. So that one was damaged and ripped. So I was able to put another one on there, the one that I bought from the deal. I picked up all 4 of these for $100, so that was a pretty good deal. At least for the fenders it was, because the fenders were $30. But now I'm having an issue because I can't get these to fit up. I think I'm gonna have to order an OEM fender. Yeah, sorry, I don't even know why my light is on. I think I am gonna have to order an OEM fender because the Duraflex ones fitment is garbage. Sorry, I can't speak right now. And then this one is damaged, and I've been over here for like an hour trying to fix it. It was better at one point, like it lines up with the door now, but I have this gap right here, and then when I try to push it back, you know, I can get it like that, but there's nothing to keep it right there because the screw that that holds the rocker panel down is pushing way too far past the mounting piece. So yeah, and then there's supposed to be a clip right there, and on this rocker panel is not a clip right there, so I can't put the clip from my old fender, my old rocker panel, and put it on this one because there's not a clip holder, I guess that's what you can call it. So, you know, I'm just getting very frustrated right now, so I'm gonna call this quits for today. And then let me show you guys. It's right here in the back of the car. Alright guys, this is my ISR single exit. And yo, I did not expect this thing to be so huge. Like my hands are pretty big, and my whole fist can fit up in there. Like that is massive. And then we got the muffler because I don't want it to be too loud. Well, that's the muffler. I meant to say the I'm not sure if that is the muffler or is the resonator. But anyway, you know, just not too loud. Not as loud as these tomies out there who like literally blow your ears off. So I gotta take these out, stick them in the back of my car, and then we're gonna head to my boy's cow's house whenever he gets off of work, and then we're gonna get this on, make like a little video, give you before and after. so you know you can decide if you want to get one or not. You know, ain't nothing wrong with supporting the ISR performance. You know, let's get into it. Before I leave, or while I'm putting my exhaust in the car, I'm gonna go ahead and mention this kit, this exhaust is for the 370Z. So because the 370Z is shorter than the G37, you're gonna need exhaust extension. This is a 12-inch exhaust extension that I found off of eBay for 60 bucks, or is it 50? Anyway, you're gonna need that if you have a G37 coupe. I'm not too sure about the sedan or the four-wheel drive sedan. So just letting you guys know, if you plan on picking up any single exit exhaust, because they only make dual exit for these cars, don't know why. Well, a decent price single exit, because I think Tomie and some Grettis, I think, also make single exits for the G37, but they're like $1,000 bucks, and I don't got that kind of money, you know. Like I'd rather spend I think it was like 500 bucks for the whole thing. The exhaust was like 470, no, 415 for the exhaust, and then this was 60 bucks, I think. And just spend that instead of, you know, getting the one that fits, and but it's an extra $400. So yeah, just letting you guys know. Just pick it up off of eBay for like 60-50 bucks. Alright guys, so my boy Cal just told me I can go ahead and head over. So before we do that, I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a cold start so you can see how it sounds, and that way you know the difference between I think I got aftermarket wide pipe, test pipes, and that's it. Other than that, the exhaust is stock, so you get to see what an aftermarket wide pipe and test pipes plus the ISR single exit sounds like. So I'm gonna go ahead and give you that cold start. So as you guys can tell, she is definitely quiet to be a VQ, and this is not going to be stand like this at all. Like a VQ, it just has to scream. So let me go ahead and head over there to my boy's Cal's house so we can hurry up and get this done. It is currently 7 o'clock and it is almost about dark time, so trying to have at least some daylight, that way we can at least see what we're doing. So see you guys when we get there. Up to my boy's Cal shit. So the first thing we're gonna do is obviously jack out the back of the car, but I can't find this man jack stand for it. Shit, like he's not telling me where it's at. And then we got some jack stands sliding under there where it can be supported, and we're gonna start taking off the old muffler and stuff like that. Hopefully we don't have any trouble, because these bolts on here are a little, no, not even a little bit, a lot rusted. And so hopefully we don't have any issue getting those off. I did take them off before, but that was like a few months ago. Once I find the jack handle, you know, we can get started, but for now I gotta wait for him to come out the house. Alright, so we just got the car, put some jack stands. This is like basically the only spot that I can find. You know, I wouldn't trust this spot too much, that's why I still have the hydraulic jack still right there, and I have both the jack stands underneath. I think these are the tow bolts, so I wouldn't trust it too much, but I couldn't get the jack stand under the pinch wheel, so this is like the best, somewhat safest way that I can do it at this point. Huh? These are tools you're talking about? Cal, are those the only tools? It's the only tools I got. So what we're going to do first is get the muffler off. My problem that I'm saying right now is, how am I going to get that off? Because I don't have one of the exhaust hanger removal tools, so probably gonna have to try to take the bolts out. That one isn't going to be hard, or well, that is the only one at the rear. But I was talking about these bolts right here. I believe these are 14s, so we should be able to get those off. Yeah. Alright, so we just, well, I just got. This pipe drops off the white pipe. That should go bang! No, it's not, because it'll catch it. So, yo, so I just got the muffler out, and I was just waiting for him to get the the mid section.
Hey
I'm gonna
guys,
call it
it's
that.
Scarce here.
I don't know the exact name for this this exhaust
It's a
part.
thingamajigger
You
connected
just
to
see the
my
mid pipe. Yeah, so what I did was I bolted the hangers because I don't have the exhaust hanger removal tool, and then I just like finessed that one out of there from that hanger. So
Hey dude.
yeah,
Think about
just
it. I'm not left-handed.
take the stuff off of that one and put it on that one. Alright, so we just got this, I'm gonna call it again, a mid-section pipe out. So right now we're just from the wide pipe. No, right now we just have the wide pipe, and so that's where the 12-inch extension is going to go at, just to extend the exhaust out a little bit more, because as I said before, this kit is meant for the 370Z, but if you want to work for the G37, you got to use the 12-inch extension. Damn, I can never talk.
So like,
alright guys, so like 2 hours later we finally got the exhaust on. One issue I'm seeing already is that it looks like it's going to end up melting my my bumper, so I'm gonna have to take it to the shop one day and put some washers underneath that exhaust hanger over there so it can space it out and not hit the bumper. But we're about to get a cold start in. It should be enough for it to be cold. Here, you do it.
yes.
Alright, take it out of gear. You remember?
What?
Take it out of gear.
Start it.
Take it out of gear. So it's in first gear right now. So pull it down. Don't pull it all the way down. The shift knob. Alright, wiggle it. Alright, that is neutral. So you gotta push the clutch in. And then you gotta hit the start button. No! Yo! This thing sounds so good. Yeah, long as you don't got it in gear. Yo, this thing sounds so good. Where are you at on temps? Is it cold?
Yeah. The limit. Is that a quarter?
Give it a little bit of rev. Yo, this thing. Yeah, just a little bit more.
Can I go up to 3?
Yeah. Yo, this shit sounds so good. Oh man, I can't wait to have some fun with this. Yo, this sounds so good.
You heard it?
So I gotta space it out from right there. Try to find something before I get home. That way it doesn't melt, you know, because I am gonna be wrapping this this car. So I'm trying to find something. But that is it, guys. That's it for the video. Make sure you stay tuned and check out everything else.
You just gotta cut it.
No, I'm not cutting it. Well, peace out, guys.
Oh,